What's up, Geeksters? It's me, Omar from Geekster Labs, and this is just a really quick video for a question I get every single time a new iPhone comes out, which is, do the cases for the previous model fit the new model? So sometimes that is the case, and let's check it out. So we have the iPhone 14 Pro, brand new phone, just came out. I just received it yesterday, and I have a clear case here for the iPhone 13 Pro. So I know the bodies are the same exact shape and size, but I think the difference would be the camera opening. So let's see if I can get this onto the 14 Pro, this 13 Pro case. So, okay, so I snapped it on so it fit around the edges. Oh, no. Okay, so if you can see, let me see if I can get this in a good angle. If you can see the corner right there, it's not letting me strap it around the corner because of the camera bump on the back of the case, or the back of the phone. So the bump on here is a little bit larger, and it's not in the same exact spot as the old phone. And so because of that, I can snap it around the corner, but it's not sitting on it. It's hard. Let me see if I can get the angles to show. It's not sitting on it flush because it's raised up in the corner here because the bump itself is larger on the new phone. So I was able to wrap it around, and this is a TPU soft style case. If you have like a harder case or something, it's definitely not going to work. But I was able to wrap it around the corners, but I don't feel 100% comfortable if I was to drop this that the phone couldn't pop out of the case, because it's really tight and it's not fitting on it very snug. And like I said, it is because of that camera bump on the back. Let me show you guys. I have the so if I take the old 13 Pro, so if you notice on the 13 Pro, it's much closer to the edge, the corner, the camera. But if I look on this one, it's a little bit further away, by a little bit. And this one is larger. The camera bump is slightly larger. I mean, barely. It's barely even noticeable, but I can see it's in a slightly different location, and the bump is slightly bigger. So because of that, it's not going to allow the cases, especially the really snug, super fit style cases, to fit on the 14 Pro. All right, guys, that's it for me today. Post your questions down below. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel for more helpful videos like this, and I'll see you in the next video.